Saint Martin's Island, located in the northeastern part of the Bay of Bengal, is the only coral island in Bangladesh. Known locally as Narikal Jinjira, due to its abundance of coconut trees, this small island is a popular tourist destination. Geography and climate. Saint Martin's Island is situated about 9 kilometers south of the Cox's Bazar Teknaf Peninsula and forms the southernmost part of Bangladesh. The island spans approximately 8 square kilometers, although its size fluctuates with the tides. The island's climate is tropical, with a distinct monsoon season, characterized by heavy rainfall from June to September. The dry season, from November to February, is the best time to visit, offering pleasant weather and calm seas. Coral reefs and biodiversity. The island is renowned for its coral reefs, which host a diverse array of marine life, including colorful fish, mollusks, and sea turtles. These reefs are crucial for the island's ecology and also contribute significantly to its beauty. The intertidal zones and surrounding waters are rich in biodiversity, making the island a heaven for snorkeling and scuba diving enthusiasts. Tourism and activities. Tourism is the mainstay of Saint Martin's economy. Visitors flock to the island to enjoy its pristine beaches, clear blue waters, and marine activities. Key attractions include beachcombing, boat rides, and exploring the island's coral ecosystem. The island's west coast, with its long sandy beaches, is particularly popular for sunset views. Additionally, local markets offer fresh seafood and traditional handicrafts, providing a glimpse into the island's culture. Environmental concerns and conservation. Despite its popularity, Saint Martin's Island faces significant environmental challenges, including coral reef degradation, waste management issues, and the impact of uncontrolled tourism. Conservation efforts are underway to protect its delicate ecosystem. The government and various NGOs are working to promote sustainable tourism practices and enhance environmental awareness among visitors and locals. Accessibility. Saint Martin's Island can be reached by ferry from the mainland, with boats departing from Teknaf. The journey offers scenic views of the Bay of Bengal and takes about 2 to 3 hours. In summary, Saint Martin's Island is a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural charm. Its coral reefs, marine life, and serene environment make it a must-visit destination for both nature lovers and adventure seekers in Bangladesh.